Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Seedance 2.0 and explain everything inside the platform so you understand exactly what each feature does. Let's get started. Seedance 2.0 is now officially released and publicly available, and it's designed for advanced AI video creation using multiple types of input. What makes this platform powerful is that it combines images, videos, audio, and text together to generate high-quality video content with precise control. When you open the platform, you land directly on the main creation interface. At the top, you'll see different generation modes, including text to video image to video multi-reference video generation. This allows you to choose how you want to build your video. Now, in the main section, you have the prompt area. This is where you describe your video. This is the most important part because it controls the final result. You should be specific and describe the scene, the style, the motion, and the atmosphere. Below that, you have the reference system. This is where Seedance becomes powerful. You can upload reference images, reference videos, reference audio. You can add up to multiple images, up to 3 videos, and audio clips with a total duration limit. These references help the AI understand exactly what you want. For example, you can use an image for the character, a video for movement, and audio for sound design. Next, you have the video settings. You can choose the resolution of your video from 480p up to 720p in the free version. You also have the aspect ratio, which controls the format of your video, depending on where you want to use it. Once everything is set, you have the Generate button at the bottom. After writing your prompt, adding references, and selecting your settings, you click Generate. The system will then process your request and create your video. Now, inside the platform, you also have another tool called AI Image Studio. This allows you to generate images instead of videos. You can create images from text prompts or transform existing images using AI. Inside the image section, you have text to image generation, image to image transformation. You can choose between different AI models depending on the style you want. You also have the prompt area again, where you describe the image you want to generate. Then you can select the resolution, including higher quality options like 1K, 2K, or even 4K. You can also choose the aspect ratio before generating your image. Now let's talk about pricing. Seedance 2.0 offers multiple plans. You can choose between monthly and annual billing, with discounts available on yearly plans. The basic plan includes a limited number of credits per month, access to AI video generation, image generation, standard speed, no watermark, and commercial use. Higher plans give you more credits, faster generation, priority processing, and extended features. These are useful if you plan to use the platform more frequently or for professional work. So the full workflow is simple. You write your prompt, add references, adjust your settings, generate your video, and then refine your result if needed. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to use Seedance 2.0, including video generation, image tools, reference system, and settings. If you use all these features together, you can create much more controlled and professional results. I hope this helped.